Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix add friends not showing on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So first reason on why you can't see a friend request is, let me show you a person for example. So the first reason on why I'm not able to send friend requests to Mark Zuckerberg is because he's a public figure. Now remember, you cannot send friend requests to a public figure. Like if you're trying to send a friend request to a big celebrity like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, or Gary Vee and other person, then you can only follow them because they're public figure. And Facebook allows settings such as if you are a public figure, then you can set your account to a public figure's account, and then you only would be able to follow them. No friend requests can be sent then, because if they turn on their friend request on, then millions of people will start sending them friend requests, which will cause a problem for them. So yeah, Facebook allows them to change their Facebook into follow only. So yeah, and the other reason is if the person has blocked you, then you won't be able to send them friend request as well. And the other thing is, if the person's Facebook setting is like this, let me show you. You can just click on this three bar over here, scroll down and go to setting and privacy, click on setting, and on setting go to privacy setting, and on privacy setting, as you guys can see, who can send you friend request. In this setting, if they have set their account on friends or friends only, then you won't be able to send them friend request if one of your friend is not already friend with that person. So if their account setting is to this as well, then you won't be able to send them friend requests. So basically these are the reason why you are not able to send them friend requests, and the only way to solve them is if the person unblocks you, or if the person changes their who can send you a friend request to everyone, or if the public figure knows you and he sends you a friend request first, then you can accept and be friends. So that's the way to fix it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.